1966 Chevrolet C10 Custom Cab here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Nice stance in this good looking truck, as you can see from the side angle. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. It's a small block Chevy. That's paired up with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the front chrome on the grille, headlight surrounds. Bumper looking good up front. More modern headlight too, as you can see. Looks like a halogen in there. Nice combination with the black body, white roof. A little highlight down the belt line of it. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see paint shows well in this truck. It's black. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, nice luster to that paint. Take a look at how nice and straight the panels are in a second here too. Krager's, kind of a polished and flat black. Dual combination. BF Goodrich radials. Date codes on those, 2011's fronts, 2012's rear, so those are still starting to get up there. Just to give you a heads up. Take a look down this passenger side, and again, you can see how straight these panels are. You know the minute you get poor body work, poor paint, anything like that on black, it's going to show up. This one looking good, front to rear. Bright work. Looks good down that belt line again. Custom interior, and we're going to get around to that when we start it up. Let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. VDO gauges and a retro sound style custom stereo install. Spray in bed liner. There's some tie down hooks in each of the four corners. I like how they did the fuel fill on this. Nice and clean in the bed of it. And it looks like that is a Line-X coating. So nice bed on this truck. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. I like how they have these chains protected, kind of with this rubber coating. Good looking bright work on those also. And once again, still pictures. You're going to be able to see this truck from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. When we look underneath the hood, point out a few things we're going to see. It does have a Holley 4-barrel on it with electric choke, HEI ignition. Technician stated the compressor kicks on and off, runs nice and quiet, but could use a charge. System could use a charge as far as blowing coal. Brakes are like new at all four corners. And very, very slight weeps from the engine. Nothing out of the ordinary for a vehicle that's driven. This is one of those get in, turn the key and go. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I did notice one little dinger in the bright work, as you can see right there. Otherwise, up and down this driver's side, just as nice as that passenger side. If you like Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Love the looks of the cab on the 66. It's good looking body style. All right, interior. Black and white color combination carrying through the door panels. Kind of a vinyl and cloth combination on the bench seat. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see under Mr. Horsepower there, and check out the carpeting. Custom embroidered or sewn Chevy emblem in with the truck. Nice looking interior. Tilt column. There's those VDO gauges. And nice little polished surround. Let's fire this up. Again, 350, small block Chev, automatic with overdrive trans. Voltmeter working, oil pressure gauge. Odometer shows 76, 75 miles. Since the gauges have been installed, could have been at the time of build on this vehicle. Water temp, was a cold start. Fuel gauge is working. Heat and AC controls, heater does blow hot. Retro sound style stereo with the custom install.
Thank you for choosing your lunch to listen to the greatest hits. What can we play for you today?
Stereo working well, sounds good. Rest of the dash, painted to match. Door closes nicely, and take a listen. It's a good sounding truck. Let's go take a look at the power plant. We'll wrap up this walk around, and stick around to the very end if you want to see how this one goes down the road. Jason will take you for a virtual ride, if you will, show you how it dries out. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Like an aluminum radiator. Looks like a newer master cylinder, proportioning valve, booster, headers, power steering. Got Holly 4-barrel. 134A for the AC. HI ignition, as you can see back there. And a battery disconnect for in between drives or when it's in storage. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. 1966 Chevrolet C10 custom cab. Kind of has that street rod or resto mod feel to it. Nice stance, good looking truck. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a black 1966 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. This is an automatic on the column. Great sound of this truck. Nice aftermarket gauges from VDO. Acceleration is very good. Firm shifts from that automatic transmission. We have a retro sound looking radio in the dash.
Let's do the band.
The blower motor works, the wipers work. Oil pressure is showing approximately 55 to 60 pounds. The volts are showing 14. Water temperature between 180 and 190. That's all looking great. Fuel gauge showing half a tank, speedometer working. Carpet looks like new. The seat has a nice fabric on it, also looking new. Very well done truck. Now the steering wheel is clocked a little to the left. That doesn't affect the performance at all. Got a nice thick bed liner in the bed. The brakes are working well. Corner's pretty flat. This truck corners very nicely. There's the kick down on that automatic automatic transmission working as it should. Easy to drive, comfortable, great looking Chevy truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.